little story that we like to call AC condenser on a fucking 2014 Dodge Durango. Doing the evac right now. I looked at this thing a few weeks ago. I'm pretty sure that the condenser was leaking in the corner. So yeah, it's just all over. So we're gonna change it. With these, the front clips got to come off. Actually, not too bad. I believe it's a bolt, a couple little clips, another bolt, and then you pull the trim, and then you can undo. There's some screws across the bottom, and then you just pull these clips off on the top, and then the whole front clip comes off. So once I get the clip off and we get the condenser exposed, we'll holler back. All right, the clip's off. These aren't too bad. Fog lights. There is a 10mm and 8mm, 2 clips, and then the rest of it just kind of clips in around. There's supposed to be some bolts underneath, but it looks like someone's already been up in here. So, and then what we'll do next is remove the cooler, take the brackets off, move the horn, take off the covers. And then I may loosen this bracket to give it a little more room to get it out. Same pays about 3.3. Give you a holler when we get it out here. Condenser's on the floor. It's really not that bad. I just suggest taking the front clip off, and then it just mounts up. It just these little pinchy clips. Like I said, this job pays about 3 hours. It's been maybe 30 minutes for me to do all this, but you can see it's been leaking right here for a while. So we'll go ahead and get the new condenser in, and then start getting the AC service taken care of. So we'll holler back here in a little bit. Oh, there it is. Just kidding. Got it in, and it's not too bad. Like I said, we got the covers on. There's the lines right there. These trans lines, let's see, right here. Just when you're putting them in, you want to put the bracket back on to hold the radiator in, so you can put the lines in, and then just rebuild it. Like I said, this pays 3.3. Man, this really only takes like 30 minutes. Call me Edward Ratchet Hands, you feel me? So just got a vacuum on it right now. We're looking at close to 30 inches mercury, so it's gonna be fine. I'll get you another shot with the bumper on and it all ready to go. All right, cool. Completed. The system was working before. They just had a leak. So I'm not going to take you all the way through the vacuum and the recharge process, but this just takes 134A. And then, like I said, it just clips in right here. You pop off the trim, and there's 2 bolts, a 10 and an 8. You take off the clip, pull the bumper up. Same on the other side. There's some couple clips on the bottom, and then you just unplug the fog lights, and it's all good to go. So, but AC condenser 2014 Dodge Durango.